What is going on YouTube? Sorry I've been kind of a little MIA the last 3 or 4 weeks. I haven't even touched my trailer since the last time I've posted or updated anything. But shout out to my solid 4 subscribers, by the way. You guys are fucking rocking it for sticking with me throughout this trailer build. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick update of where I'm at, and let's go take a video. So for those that follow along on my Instagram at thatwhitejk, I have my rear tail lights hooked up and wired. I can't show you what they look like in this video because I don't have my axle on right now. I'm currently doing a second coat of that, coat of black, and then I'm rocker guarding it just to protect it a little bit more. If I can insert the video, I'll do that here. So now that I have my lights all wired and working, I was able to do my first undercoat today. It's really hard to see and it doesn't want to focus because of the sun, but I got that on today. I'll see how that dries tomorrow, and then if I need a second coat, I'll do a second coat. I most likely will, just because I live in Canada and I will be using this in the winter time, and just to prevent any leaks, any moisture to prevent, you know, I'm all for it. And I also did my first coat on the trailer. I did run out of paint, so I wasn't able to get my rear door or my front door done. It looks really bad, but I will show you. It's kind of hard to see with the light and the sun setting. I'll be able to get a better update picture or video, out tomorrow or the day after. I have to go back to Canadian Tire and pick up some more paint, so hopefully I can get the rear door, the front door, and a whole second coat done. Maybe I'll put my axle back on with some wheels, pull it out, hook it up to my Jeep, that way you guys can see what it's going to be looking like, all the lights and everything working. And then after that is all wrapped up, I get to start on my solar panel build. I plan on running, I have a battery actually, let me show you. Mine's a mess. It's my battery there. I have a little idea. I just want to run a set of rock lights, just a couple odds and ends, maybe something to charge your phone with. I think that'd be pretty cool, and then we'll go from there. So hopefully this was a good update video for you. I gotta go inside and eat some dinner, and then yeah, I'll catch up with you guys up some other time.